is everyone doing? Welcome back to LuxemumTV. Guys, it's Thanksgiving Day. Happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you. If you are watching this video after Thanksgiving, just know that I wish you all well and I hope you all are keeping safe. Okay, so guys, I'm prepping now for my Thanksgiving meal and I just want to show you guys what I'll be preparing for Thanksgiving. Okay, so my turkey and everything is right here. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I go about prepping my meals for Thanksgiving Day. So guys, I'm gonna be making turkey. This is already pre-made turkey from Popeyes. Okay, Popeyes, you know how Popeyes food are very delicious. Popeyes, they do good chicken, so they also have turkey. Okay, pre-made Cajun style turkey. All right, so you buy this frozen already. So what you do, you just keep it out to thaw. Once it's thawed, then you can put it in the oven and it will be ready for for you to enjoy. Okay, so I have potatoes here. I'm gonna be making mashed potatoes, and I also have plantain here. I'll be making plantain, and I'll be adding also our special jollof rice, okay, to the dish. Okay, so I'll be cooking jollof rice, mashed potato, turkey and gravy, and also I'll be making some salad. Okay, so guys, let's go and start cooking. So guys, turkey is ready now to go in the oven at 300 degrees for about 2 to 3 hours. Okay, I will leave it there for roughly 3 hours. All right, so this is what the turkey looks like with all of the Cajun spice already on it. Okay, so I'm going to toss it now in the oven, then we'll get to the next section. So guys, I almost forgot that I was filming the cooking. Okay, so this is the potatoes. They are all soft now. Okay, so I'm just gonna mash them in this same pot. Okay, see how steaming and hot it is. So I'm gonna mash them in this pot. Here I have almond milk. I heated the almond milk in the microwave so it will be warm. Okay, and I have a butter here. Okay, so that's how simple my mashed potato is gonna be. So I'm gonna use the masher now and just mash it in this pot. You can also do this in the blender or a food processor. Okay, so guys, it's time to add the butter. That's about half a stick of butter. Okay, I don't want too much butter inside of it. Then I'll be adding a little a pinch of salt. So I'm gonna mix them now together. So mix them very good, guys. Time to add the almond milk. So there you have it, guys. This is your mashed potatoes. So the mashed potato is ready, guys. Okay, I didn't even use all of the almond milk. About half a cup of almond milk I used. Okay, so it's now ready to be eaten. Okay, yeah. So let's move to the next dish now. So guys, this is the gravy for the turkey and also for the mashed potato. Okay, so it's all thickened up and nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour it here. Yeah, that's my gravy. So guys, the jollof rice is here and it's all ready. Okay, yeah, this is the pot of jollof rice. So I'm just gonna serve it up now and get it ready to be eaten. Okay, so I couldn't film this. You all know how to cook jollof rice already, right? So now let me dish it and serve it up. Okay guys, this is the turkey is all ready. Okay, I've allowed it to sit down and rested for about 30 minutes. Okay, all right, so I'm going to transfer it into a dish now, then that will be it. So guys, Thanksgiving dinner is ready. This is all I was able to come up with. Look at the turkey looking so golden brown and delicious. Here's the jollof rice. I served the jollof rice in that bowl. I have some bread roll there. I have gravy in there. The mashed potato is here and the dodo is here. I have salad. I didn't bring it on the table yet. I have to go and grab that one, okay? So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. If you are watching this after Thanksgiving, thank you for the support of also coming to my channel, okay? My daughter set the table, all right? So we decided to go with all plastic a plastic plate and cup so that we don't have to wash anything apart from the main dishes after you know the meal, so it just makes cleanup easy. All right guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.